Grayson GLITZ is on the scene. It's showtime! Created by Trevor Lidke. Grayson GLITZ is a respected and honorable movie star, and has decided to take his quest to another level. He joined the mighty Dexteras in order to fight off the forces of darkness. And to be honest, what better way than to What better way for this guy to be a good guy? I'm sorry about that. What I meant to say was, what better way to be a hero than being at Thumb Wrestling Federation? The Thumb Wrestling Federation has been one of my favorite wrestling series, and hopefully we'll get to see more of this guy in action. I heard he's going up against Cactus Jeff next.